Hope you had a great weekend, fellow Realtors. Jeffrey, Mr. Tech Raskin here. So here's what's going on for the third week of October. Can't believe we're already this far in the year, but we still have a bunch of great CE classes to give to you, as we've been doing for the last 19 years out of my 24-year real estate career. So here's what's going on. We have that new 3-hour mandatory fire, water, and defraud CE class. Now, we mush them together, which means you can go ahead and get all 3 hours in one swoop. And you could do that pre-recorded, which means you anytime, from any place, any device, we don't care. Stop us, rewind us, go ahead and pick up later on if you need to take a break. You can do that there. Also, with that pre-recorded courses concept, we have a lot of other things to give and to offer to all of you. That means the code of ethics. This means transaction desk, the paperless office. We have so many classes to give to you where you can do this on your own time. Now, let's get back to that 3-in-1 class. We have 2 this week in different areas of the valley. If you're here in the Maricopa County, Phoenix metro area, and you can go ahead and not only get it for free, but also and get lunch to boot. We also have some other things going on here. That means the code of ethics. This means the future of real estate. And we also have transaction desk that, of course, you use every single day to go ahead and write your RPCs and your ERs when you're taking a listing. I want to remind you about Agent Ignite. You might as well try it. It is no charge to you, and we truly mean this, everybody. Go ahead and put in the code listed below, and you can go ahead and get all of these courses, some of them being CE, for no charge at all. I also want to remind you that we do set up computers. We give you one-on-one lessons. We do everything that we possibly can to help our fellow Realtors. Let me know if you have any questions. Thank you very much. Have a great week. Sell lots of real estate, and techie out.